are pleased to show you the 2017 Audi A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology, Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.